Now, WordPress is widely accepted by both developers and the user community, not just because it's free, but also because it's easy to use and manage for anyone, even with zero knowledge of coding. WordPress is the most used content management system right now because it's got lots of features. For example, it has a remarkable flexibility with plugins and themes. These days, many web hosting services offer tools to quickly install WordPress, which makes it a lot more easier than doing it manually. You can actually get your website ready and running just with a couple of clicks. Let me now quickly show you how easy it is to install WordPress on a server using a cPanel. Now, I want to assume that you already have a domain name and a hosting account. If you're still confused about choosing a provider for a domain name and a hosting account, make sure to check out this post on my blog about the best web hosting services. You want to also make sure that your domain name is already pointing to your hosting service. If you don't know how to point your domain name to your hosting account using your name server, then here is how to do it. Simply go to your hosting service. In this case, I'm using the A2 hosting service, and on A2 you can find the name servers by clicking on your account's detail button right here. If you do not know how to get to this information on your hosting service, simply go to the email account you use to register your hosting account and look through the emails sent from your hosting service. Usually, after paying for your hosting account, you will receive an email from your hosting service with information that looks something like this. So all you need here is actually your hosting name server. So copy the first name server and go to the name server area of whatever domain service you are using. In my case, I'm using Namecheap, and paste in your name server here. Now you want to do the same for the second hosting name server. If you are buying domain and hosting from the same provider, you don't need to change any name server in most cases because the provider already does that for you. Now, after pointing your domain from your name server to your hosting account, it's time now to start installing your WordPress content management system. So go to your hosting service and log into your cPanel. The first thing you want to do on your cPanel is connecting that domain name to your hosting account, and to do that you need this add-on domain feature. If this icon button looks different on your chosen hosting account, simply make a search for add and you will see the add-on feature. Click on it, and on the next page you want to type in your domain name here. Then click out of the box and these other fields will be populated. Now when you are done with all that, you can click on the add domain button to add your domain. Now you want to click back to the cPanel, and this time you want to look for the WordPress installation feature. In the case of A2 hosting service, you have actually two options to install WordPress. The first option is WordPress A2 Optimize. Now this feature will do the heavy lifting of optimizing your website for search engines. The second option is here, but usually I go with the first option. Now on the next page, click on Install. WordPress will now redirect you to this page where you can set up your WordPress before installing it. Now, if you want your website to load every time you type your domain name, then you might want to leave this section as it is or change it if you know what you're doing. The next step now is selecting the domain name you want to install your WordPress on. If you skip the part of adding your domain name to your hosting service using the add-on feature, you will not see your domain name displayed as an option here. So make sure to add your domain name on your hosting service before installing your WordPress. Now select your domain, type in your site name and your site description. Add your admin username and your admin password. Choose your preferred language, add your email and hit the install button to finish the process. If you did everything correctly, you should see a congratulations message after the installation finishes. You can now log into your WordPress dashboard using your domainname.com/wp admin. And that's how easy it is to install WordPress on your server using your cPanel. Now, if you head over to the Tube Mechanics Node website, you're going to find a blog post that is titled Getting Started with Affiliate Marketing. In that blog post, I also show you how to set up your affiliate website from beginning to end, showing you the pros and cons of affiliate marketing, the tools and resources you need for the trade, and commonly asked questions about affiliate marketing. So if you are interested in affiliate marketing, I'll drop the link in the description box below this video if you want to check it out. And with all that, I will call this video a wrap. I hope this was another helpful video. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.